Next disease is malaria. It is caused by Plasmodium. There are 4 species of Plasmodium: Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum. Out of these 4, Plasmodium falciparum is the dangerous one. It causes malignant malaria, which is fatal. Fatal means it leads to death. Organs affected in malaria are liver and RBC. How it transmits from one person to another person? By the biting of a female Anopheles mosquito. By female mosquito only. Always female mosquitoes, they bite human beings. Why? Because females, they require high energy for egg laying. That energy is provided by human blood. That's why always a female mosquito bite human beings. Male mosquito always take its nutrition from the plant cell sap. Symptoms of the malaria: high fever and chill. Even this disease it caused during the season of summers, but the symptom is chilling. Fever occur in every alternate day. Vomiting. And symptoms of malaria which are related to skin are chills and sweating. Fever hoega, that is with the chills. When temperature come down to normal, that cause sweating. Respiratory related symptoms are dry cough, spleen enlargement. Stomach related are nausea and vomiting. Nervous system related headache. Systemic is fever. Muscle related fatigue and pain, and there is back pain also in this disease. Now the mosquito bites the human being. So Plasmodium, it require 2 hosts to complete its life cycle. One is mosquito and second one is humans. When a mosquito bites a human, the stage of Plasmodium sporozoite, it enters into the human body. When again another mosquito bite the human body, gametocytes, that is the another stage of the Plasmodium, that enters into the mosquito. So Plasmodium, it complete its life cycle in 2 hosts, mosquito and human being. This is the life cycle of Plasmodium. We will start from here. Mosquito bites the human skin. And sporozoite. Sporozoite, it is the name of a stage of Plasmodium. It enters into the liver cell through blood. Inside the liver cell, it undergoes asexual reproduction. See, the number of sporozoites increases. Then from liver cell, it enters into the red blood cells. Again in the red blood cell, it undergo asexual reproduction. Then RBC, it bursts. All the sporozoites, they come out of the RBCs, and a chemical named hemozoin, it come out of the RBC. That chemical hemozoin, that leads to chilling, that cause chilling. Then sexual reproduction starts in the red blood cells, but only gametes, they are formed in the red blood cell. Now that is known as gametocyte. The stage which enters in the human body is a sporozoite. जो human body तो बाहर जाएगी, that is gametocyte. Now again another mosquito that bites the human skin, and it take up gametocyte in its body, in its gut. Now gametes, they enter into the mosquito body, enter into the alimentary canal of the mosquito. Then fertilization occurs. Male gamete and female gamete, fertilization occurs, sexual reproduction occurs. By the result of sexual reproduction, they form sporozoites, and sporozoites, they start accumulating in the salivary gland. When same mosquito bite another human being, then these sporozoites, they enter into the human body. Thus a plasmodium completes its life cycle. There are two stages, one is sporozoite and one is gametocyte. Sporozoite in the human host and gametocytes in the mosquito host. The summary of life cycle of malaria parasite, that is plasmodium. Malarial parasite, it required two hosts, humans and anopheles, to complete their life cycle. Life cycle of plasmodium start with injecting sporozoid through bite of infected female anopheles mosquito. It starts when female anopheles mosquito bites human body, and sporozoites, they release into the human body. Next point, parasite initially multiplied within the liver cell, then attack red blood cells. पहले liver cells they attack करेंगे, then they move to red blood cells and resulting in the rupturing of RBCs. There is a release of toxic substance known as hemozoin from the ruptured RBCs. When RBC is ruptured, a chemical called hemozoin it release, which is responsible for chilling and high fever. From infected human, the parasite enters into the body of anopheles mosquito during biting and sucking blood. When another mosquito bites the human being, then plasmodium enters into the another mosquito body. Then further development of the plasmodium that take place in the body of anopheles mosquito. The female mosquito take up gametocytes with the blood meal. What enters in the female body? That is the gametocyte. Then formation of gametes and fertilization take place in the intestine of the mosquito, that is in the alimentary canal. By the fertilization, zygote develop and further form thousands of sporozoites. These sporozoites then migrate to salivary gland of the mosquito. When mosquito bite another human, then sporozoites they are injected in the next human being and it cause infection to the next human being. This is all about life cycle of plasmodium. It is very important and do it carefully.